In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone and locale in AdsPower. Getting your time zone right keeps your timestamps accurate across profiles, logs, and scheduled actions. And aligning your locale helps make dates and numbers display the way you expect. This is especially important if you collaborate across regions, or if you want your environment to match the location of the IPs you use. Let's walk through it clearly and make sure everything saves correctly. Start by opening the AdsPower app and look to the top right of the interface. You'll see your account icon there. Click that icon to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main configuration area for your account, where personal preferences and account-level controls live. Inside Settings, find the section labeled My Account. Within this section, look for the time zone option. AdsPower lists time zones by region and often shows the UTC offset, which can help you confirm you're picking the correct one. If you're unsure which entry to choose, select the city that matches your working location or the geolocation you want to mirror. Keep in mind that some regions observe daylight saving time, so it's best to pick a city entry that automatically adjusts for seasonal changes, rather than choosing a fixed offset. Once you've identified the time zone you want, click to select it. Then confirm the change by clicking OK or Save, depending on the version you're running. Make sure you actually see a confirmation or the Save button becomes disabled, so you know the setting applied. If the app requests a quick refresh, allow it to reload so the new time appears everywhere. After saving, take a moment to verify the change. Check any timestamps visible in the dashboard, recent activity, or scheduled actions to ensure they now reflect your chosen time zone. If you work with teams, let them know about the adjustment so everyone understands why dates and times might look different. If your interface shows a locale option alongside time zone in the My Account section, that's where you can review how dates, times, and numbers are formatted. Keeping your locale consistent with your time zone and team practices can reduce confusion when reading logs or reports. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Match your time zone to the region of your primary IPs for better consistency. And if you don't see My Account or time zone, make sure you have the right permissions or update the app to the latest version. That's all you need to keep AdsPower aligned with your working hours and regional format preferences.